Hey everybody, welcome to another video. This is basically a continuation from the anti-roll bars, but I'm taking a break. So in this video, I'm going to change the shocks, or the strut shocks. And to be able to do that, I have to take the brake caliper off. So I'll put the new shocks on. And then instead of putting the stock discs and pads on, I'll also put the DBA brakes on as well. So first thing I need is a 15mm for the calipers. And then I'll figure out what I need for the struts, but yeah, we'll take it from there. Right, update time. So quite a bit's been done, quite a bit of hammering and loosening some rusted bolts, but it's all doable. Again, the problem I have is a lot of my stuff is modified, so I've got Steeder camber bolts in there already. The old shock had spaces in it because I got a supercharger. So this is the Ford Performance Racing track chock things. So I had to add the spaces because of the supercharger, just to give me some more ride height because I was scraping everywhere. So yeah, taking the disc brake off was fun. Lots of WD-40 through the holes in here, and then a piece of wood and some dead blows did the trick, but it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. So just bear that in mind when you do this. And then these two as well. So that's 18, that's 21, that's 21, that's 24. So again, it wasn't fun trying to get those out. But again, just bring these nuts out to the edge. Same with the other one. And then just some hammer blows to make sure that you don't ruin the shape of the head. And the bolts can be reused. So I've still got to torque them up. So again, that's an 18mm, that's a 21mm, that's a 21mm there, and then this is a 24mm here. I'll get you the torque specs in a moment when I torque them. And again, likewise, these are factory, where are we? These are factory 15mm. So again, just slowly, I've still got to torque them up. But that's the shock itself in. I'll do the same on the other side, and then it's time to install the EDFC extensions and motors on there. So basically the same on the other side. In this case, then you would put your discs on. So your disc brake, you torque everything, and then you put your brake pad on, and it will all go on, and you'll be good. But for me, I'm gonna upgrade my disc brakes. So I bought some DBA two-piece floating ones, which I'm gonna put on, and you guys can see that. Actually, I'm not gonna do a separate video for those, but yeah, you guys can see that and see how they look. They're supposed to be really good. So yeah, here it goes. top ones, which are 46 foot-pounds, 15 millimeter. Oh man, that's another task done then. That's the struts installed as well. Everything is torqued. Now we're going to do the brakes. Yeah, it's getting late, but let's try and do what we can. So yeah. So first things first, we have to clean the mating surface, as is technically correct. They look nice. Foot-pounds on these, but I can't get my torque wrench in on the top one, so I'm just going to tighten it in. Done. Get the brake pads. I need to apply some lubricant on the back. So just like that. For the other pad now. I don't want to get this on the disc, so just quick light clean, a little bit of IPA. Light clean. So good. That's all there is to it. Now I'm gonna do the other one, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'll do the rears later. We're obviously including them in this video. They look good. Will I paint the calipers? I've got some red paint. I might do that. I don't know. We shall see. I'm just gonna hit the other one. I'm not gonna record that one, guys, because it's getting in the way. It's getting dark anyway. So up next would be me showing you the rears.